Good morning people, how are we all doing today? As you can see out the window, it is a glorious sunshiny day. We're only on about 4 degrees, but it's probably going to get up to about 15 today, so it's going to be lovely and warm. We are on our way to a job. We're doing quite a bit in the job, but obviously we're not going to get that all done today. But we're down for skirts, no architraves, skirting boards, doors to hang, boxing in some pipes, bit of panelling up the stairs, and we're going to be sorting out a wardrobe, just making it a bit more usable. So there's already a walk-in wardrobe in there, but we're going to be ripping that out. Not ripping it out, sorry, but just taking out all the shelves and all that are in there, and then rebuilding some shelving in there, which will be a separate video. That's not going to be in today's, so if you want to catch that one, make sure you're subscribed. But today what we're going to do is we're going to focus on the doors in the property. So we've got 5 upstairs to do, and then whatever else we can get done today. So yeah, day in the life type video. Let's get on with it. Right, we are here. Let's get in there and I can show you the job. Right, here we go, we are here. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So that's what we're going to be doing today. Well, for the start of today anyway, getting them on. And then we'll take it from there, see what else we can get done. Well, as you guys can see, I'm already sort of partially set up because it's not my first day here. I did a day yesterday here, getting some skirting boards round. There is another video coming out on that. Obviously you won't have seen it yesterday because it was only yesterday, but I went round and addressed some issues on this property with the previous carpenter. There's a whole story. I'll link it up here when it comes out, or just look on the channel and you'll see that. But yeah, we're going to start getting doors on. So I have my doors all in here. So let's get on and get them on. Okay, and here we go guys. Going to start up by unwrapping a door, getting it all prepped and on the bench, and then we can start getting them hung. Start off by just offering these doors in. The frames weren't terrible, they were a little bit on the short side. I did end up going back in and just planting a bit of timber on the bottom of these doors, only 10mm, but the gaps were about 25mm at the bottom, which was a bit bigger than I like. I normally like to leave about 20, so I put 10mm on and then they can be cut back after the carpets. A bit of scribing here just to make sure we get a nice, I leave a 3mm gap around these, so then after paint it leaves about 2 to 2.5mm. I think that looks nice. I get a lot of questions about this hinge jig. I make them myself. I might end up making them available, I'm not sure. Let me know down in the comments if you want me to. There we go, we can get the first door on now. I think we're about 15 minutes into the day, something like that at this point. So really not bad at all. I do enjoy hanging doors. I don't know about you guys, but hanging doors for me is one of my most enjoyed carpentry jobs. Going on with the second one now. We're probably about half an hour into the day at this point. This one went on a lot better than the first one. And then the third. It is 25 to 11 and I'm hungry. So I am gonna sit in my van, have my sandwich. I can't get, so I've got 4 doors on, I should say. That's 5, that's 4. I've got 4 doors on, but the plumber's in the bathroom at the minute, so it's a bit difficult to get in there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to have my sandwich and then I'm going to start getting some latches on, give the plumber a bit of time to crack on, and then I'll jump into the bathroom and get that last door on. So yeah, we're doing really well for time. I've only been here 2 hours, so Really doing well. But yeah, like I said, lunch because I'm hungry. I do tend to have my lunch quite early. Let me know what time you guys have your lunch. Let me know down in the comments, or do you have more than one break? Right, we have had something to eat and we're back in. Let's get some handles on. And then we can start getting the latches on. Started 3D printing my own little latch jigs and bits and pieces. Really like this one because it means that I can mark the centre of the door and square and everything all off of one little jig. So I might do a little short just explaining this in a little bit more detail, but something I've been messing about with in my spare time. And yes, I always get a bit of questions. I always drill out for the latch first. I don't know why. I just prefer to do it that way. There's no rhyme or reason to it. I just do. Knife in round. We've got to get them nice and crisp around that latch. Decided this first chisel wasn't sharp enough, so we had a little change. There we go. Always keep two on you, 2-inch chisels. One's blunt, you can put it down and pick up the other one. And there we go. That is the hinge, the latch mortise all chopped out. Okay guys, so plenty of time left on this day, so we're going to start by getting this wardrobe all ripped out, and we might as well make a start. There's no point going home at like 1 o'clock or whatever time it was now. I can't quite remember, but it was early, so it probably wasn't even 1 o'clock actually. It was probably about 12:30, something like that. So yeah, get everything ripped out. There's some decent timber in here. I did keep hold of all of this T&G. We'll use it later down the line for something else. I don't like to throw stuff away if it can be reused. Even if it goes on the fire, it's better than nothing, isn't it? Rather than putting it in landfill. But yeah, like I said, we're going to get this all ripped out because it isn't very usable. The customer, bless her, she's only about 5'2", so that top bit was no use to her whatsoever. So we're going to make it a lot more practical and a lot more usable up there. Okay guys, so that's that all ripped out. So what we're going to have in here, we're going to have a top shelf down here, divider down the middle, double hanging on this side, long hanging on this side, and then up here I'm going to put a little shelving unit. So it's not going to be the fanciest thing in the world, but a lot more practical than what they had in here before. So what I need to do now, get some sheets of MDF out the back of the van, get them all ripped up. I'm probably going to go 500 deep with this back section. That should give plenty of hanging space, and then that'll give us a little shelving unit to go in over here. Let's get on with that. Okay, so like you just heard Site Lewis explain, we're going to be putting a shelf across the top here, which is really handy for bulkier items. Some people use them for suitcases and bits and pieces. And then, yeah, we're going to split the wardrobe into 3 sections essentially. Long hanging, short hanging, and then shelving space. Like I said in that little clip there, it's not going to be the fanciest, but it's just going to be a lot more usable for her, or for them I should say. And then we move our side outside for cutting the MDF. Really don't like cutting up the MDF indoors if I can help it. Not always possible to do it outside, obviously, if the weather's pretty terrible, but where we can, I prefer to do it outside. And there we have it, that's our top shelf going in now. Nice and snug, how we like it. And we've skipped forward a little bit here, so we are just going to be putting our shelving unit together. I didn't show you putting the whole wardrobe together because I had to get a rig along, obviously. I'm trying to work at the same time, but also you guys have seen me build this wardrobe a million times, so yeah, I didn't record the whole thing. If you do want to see a clip of me putting this whole wardrobe together, I will put a link up in the top right hand corner for you guys to see that, or alternatively, if I forget, because I do sometimes, just go onto the playlists and look for instructional and you'll see this whole wardrobe being built in a lot more detail. And there you go, pretty simple design here, just screws and glue, getting everything fixed together. Just a thumbnail like that. There we have it, we can just put this in now and that is the wardrobe completed, or thereabouts. I obviously did a bit more work on it, sanding and bits and pieces, but there you go. Right, there we go people, that is today done. Don't think we did too bad, do you know what I mean? So all in all we got 4 doors in. 4 doors? Yeah, 4 doors in. Couldn't get that bathroom one on because the plumber was in there fitting out that bathroom, which is fair enough. He's going to be done today, on the job, finished. I won't be, so no hardship, do you know what I mean? So yeah, 4 doors on, and then we built out that little wardrobe section, which is good. I'm happy with what I got done. Let me know down in the comments what you guys think. Do you reckon that's acceptable for a day's work? I'm not actually finished work yet. I've got to go and look at a couple of jobs, but I'm not going to drag you guys along for that. That's just me going to measure up, and I've got to measure one up, and then the other one is a kitchen that's been designed, and I've just got to go and check the designs, basically make sure that it's all going to fit before the customer pushes the button and orders it. So yeah, there we go. Got an hour's drive back now. I'm going to put a podcast on, listen to that. But yeah guys, I'm going to thank you guys for watching. I want to say a massive thanks to my YouTube members. They're the guys that you can see across the steering wheel right now, supporting me quite a lot, even though I haven't put out many members only videos. That needs to change. That is going to change this week actually, guys. You'll have a new video coming out for you guys. But yeah, if you want to become a member, there's a link in the description, or you can push the join button, which is right underneath the like button, which obviously you're going to push now anyway because you really enjoy all of my videos, especially this one because it was amazing. Of course it was. But yeah guys, I'm going to leave it there. Hit that subscribe button for me because that will massively help me out as well, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Take care. Cheers.